Imagine a future where traveling long distances no longer feels like endurance, where the road doesn't drain you, but steadies you, where movement itself feels calm, confident, and refined. That future takes shape with the 2027 BMW Series Motorhomes. BMW did not design this motorhome as an oversized vehicle. They designed it as a moving environment, a place where performance, comfort, and control coexist without compromise. From the moment you see it, the presence feels intentional. The exterior is sculpted, aerodynamic, and unmistakably BMW. Every line serves a purpose. Nothing feels decorative. Nothing feels unnecessary. This motorhome doesn't try to look adventurous. It looks assured. On the road, the stance is wide and grounded. At speed, the body remains composed, stable, and smooth. There is no sense of strain, no feeling of bulk fighting momentum. It moves forward with the quiet confidence of something engineered to last. BMW's performance heritage is visible even here. Not in aggression, but in balance. Not in speed, but in control. As you step inside, the experience changes immediately. The door closes, and the outside world softens. Road noise fades. The rush disappears. You enter a space designed to protect your attention. The interior is calm, modern, and intentionally minimal. Ambient lighting flows across surfaces, subtle and warm, adjusting naturally as the day changes. Materials feel premium without trying to announce themselves. Soft leather, smooth metals, natural textures. This is not luxury built for display. It is luxury built for living. The lounge area feels expansive without being excessive. Seating is ergonomic, supportive, and firm in the right places. You don't sink, you settle. Panoramic windows stretch the environment outward, turning landscapes into part of the interior. Mountains slide past. Forests slow your breathing. City lights glow softly in the distance. This motorhome doesn't isolate you from the world. It frames it. Every movement inside feels deliberate. Drawers glide silently. Panels align perfectly. Nothing rattles. Nothing feels temporary. BMW understands something many designers miss. Comfort is not softness. Comfort is stability. The kitchen reflects that philosophy completely. This is not a compact cooking corner meant for survival. This is a fully integrated kitchen designed for routine use. Appliances are seamlessly built in, not added on. Storage is intelligently hidden but generous. Lighting is placed where you actually need it. Surfaces are easy to clean, durable, and refined. Nothing feels fragile. Nothing feels improvised. Preparing a meal here feels natural. You don't adapt your behavior to the space. The space adapts to you. Whether it's a quiet breakfast or a full evening dinner, the environment supports the process without interruption. Move toward the washroom and the difference becomes even clearer. This is where most motorhomes reveal their limits. But here, BMW refused to compromise. The space feels private, clean, and thoughtfully proportioned. You are not rushed. You are not cramped. Modern fixtures are placed with intention. Lighting is warm and calming rather than harsh. Water systems operate quietly, efficiently, and reliably. This washroom is not designed for quick use. It is designed for daily life. You don't feel like a traveler passing through. You feel settled. Now enter the bedroom. This is the most personal space in the motorhome, and BMW treated it with respect. Sound insulation reduces the outside world to a distant presence. Climate control maintains consistency without noticeable airflow. Lighting transitions gently, allowing your body to relax instead of react. The bed itself feels solid and supportive. Not oversized, not decorative, just right. Sleep comes easily here. Not because you are tired, but because the environment allows it. You wake slowly. Light filters through white glass. The world is waiting, but not demanding. Morning by a lake. Mist over mountains. A quiet road ahead. This is not camping. This is continuity. But the defining character of the 2027 BMW Series Motorhome is revealed when it moves. Driving this motorhome feels surprisingly familiar. Not because it feels small, but because it feels controlled. Steering is precise and predictable. Acceleration is smooth, linear, and confident. Braking is composed and reassuring. You never feel like you are managing excess mass. You feel like you are guiding momentum. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background. They don't interrupt. They don't overwhelm. They support. How highway driving becomes almost meditative. Long distances feel shorter. Urban navigation feels measured rather than stressful. On mountain roads, a vehicle feels planted and responsive. It doesn't rush. It doesn't resist. It cooperates. BMW understands that real luxury on the road is mental clarity, reducing decision fatigue, reducing effort. Technology inside the cockpit reflects that mindset. Displays are clear, minimal, and readable at a glance. Controls respond intuitively. You don't search, you don't guess, you simply act. This motorhome doesn't ask for attention. It gives it back to you. And that is the core philosophy behind This design. Luxury is not excess. Luxury is ease. Ease of movement. Ease of living. Ease of being anywhere without disruption. The 2027 BMW Series Motorhome is not built for short escapes. It is built for extended living, for people who don't rush destinations, for people who measure journeys in moments rather than miles, for people who value consistency and calm. This motorhome is not about leaving life behind. It is about reshaping it, working remotely beside forests, waking up beside oceans, parking beneath open skies without sacrificing comfort. Every journey feels intentional. Every stop feels complete. BMW didn't create this motorhome to impress crowds or chase trends. They created it for those who understand quality quietly, for those who appreciate precision over spectacle, balance over noise, or experience over appearance. The 2027 BMW Series Motorhome is not for everyone. It is for those who want freedom without friction, movement without chaos, luxury without compromise. It is for those who believe the journey deserves the same attention as the destination. This is not just a motorhome. This is BMW's interpretation of what modern travel should feel like.